Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with an 8, 5x 11-inch sheet of paper to control proportions and symmetry for the lobster body. Fold the paper in half lengthwise, and then unfold to create a center crease to guide subsequent folds. Create the lobster base by folding the tail as a 1/2-inch accordion of the tail section. This builds texture and volume. Reinforce the center with a light glue bead along the crease, then press flat and let dry before moving to shaping steps. Cut small tabs for the claws, each 1 inch wide so they balance and match the lobster's proportions. Shape the main body by folding gradual slopes for the carapace and make segmentation with 1/4-inch valley folds every 1 inch to mimic plates. Curve the claws by rolling the paper around a 3/5-inch dowel to create a natural arc and pinch the tips. Attach claws to the body with glue or a 1/8-inch double-sided tape, holding each joint until secure. Add antennae using 2 6cm strips of paper folded into a slight curve and glued at the head for realism and balance. Refine legs by cutting 10/5-inch strips and layering them along the sides with small tabs. Adjust angles so the lobster can sit on a flat surface. Color the lobster with red paint or markers, using 2 coats for even coverage and letting each coat dry 20 minutes. Seal with a thin coat of matte sealer to protect the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.